Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, learn how to make this pipe. And to make this, we use the pipe command and Extrude and Chamfer. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll select the front plane and make this sketch here. And here will be the midpoint. And the first thing that we make, we create a line here with 150 millimeters, create an arc here, and create another line here with 150 millimeters. This arc will have 200 millimeters of radius, okay? And it must be tangent with the both lines. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, select line, click here at the midpoint, make a line here with 150 millimeters, create an arc here, and another line with 150 millimeters. Okay. Go to constraints and select tangent. Select this arc and this line, and this arc and this line. And the radius here will be 200 millimeters, okay? We made this. Finish the sketch. Now we need to use the pipe feature here. So the diameter is 117 millimeters and the thickness here will be 10 millimeters, okay? So go to create and select pipe. The path, select this line here. The section size 170 millimeters and the section thickness 10 millimeters. You need to ability here the hollow, okay? To add thickness to this section. Operation new body and press OK. We made this, okay? Let me inspect this. We made this. The inner diameter here 150 and here 170 millimeters, okay? Now we'll create this base here. So it will be the section AA in this side here. So we have a square here, 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. In the corners, the radius is 20 millimeters of radius. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select this face here. Select the 2-point rectangle, center rectangle, click here in the midpoint, 300 millimeters by 300 millimeters. And go to modify, select the fillet. The fillet here is 20 millimeters of fillet. Okay, we made this. Now here we have 4 holes here with 40 millimeters of diameter, and the distance between the center of the circle and the midpoint here 100 millimeters here and 100 millimeters here. Okay, so here we'll go to create, select the 2-point rectangle, select the center rectangle, select the construction, click here in the midpoint, make a square here 200 millimeters by 200 millimeters. Okay, now select the circle, remove the construction line type and make a circle here with 40 millimeters of diameter and create another circle here at this point and go to constraint, select equal, select this circle, hold the control in the keyboard, select this one, select all the circles. Okay, we made this. And here go to create, select the project, include the project and select this face here and press OK. We made this. Now we need to extrude this 40 millimeters, okay? So finish the sketch, go to extrude, select this profile here and select the profile here, this face, okay? The distance here 40 millimeters. Operation join and press OK. We made this. Now we need to create the same here and this side. So to create this, we will open the sketch tool, select all these lines and press Ctrl C in the keyboard. Okay, finish the sketch. Now go to create a sketch and select this face here. And here select Ctrl V. Press Ctrl V in the keyboard. You can move this a little bit, no problem. Press OK. Now here, go to create and select project including project. Select this circle here, press OK. Now go to constraints and select coincident. Select this point and this point here. Select this point and this point here. Okay. And finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 40 millimeters. Okay. So go to extrude, select this face here, and select this face here, 40 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. We made this, okay. Now we need to add a fillet here with 5 millimeters, a chamfer, sorry. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge here and this edge here. The chamfer here is 5 millimeters and press OK. We made this. Now press letter A in the keyboard. And here I will add some color here. Paint, glossy. I selected this. I will add the yellow color. And I will add some color here. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for more and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.